It's rather cold here in Melbourne, so today I thought I'd bake in the barbecue a lemon delicious pudding laced with a little bit of gin. Watch this. 125 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of fine caster sugar, zest of 1 lemon. Place that in and beat that mixture. Add 4 egg yolks, one at a time. Once the eggs are in, just lift up and scrape the sides. 75 grams or half a cup of self-raising flour, 300 mils or 1 1/4 cups of full cream milk, the juice of 2 lemons, gradually add the lemon juice, 15 mils of a lemon flavoured gin. Beat the egg whites till they're light and fluffy. Place half the whipped egg whites in and lightly fold that through first. Add the last half and fold through gently. Pour the batter into a buttered baking dish. It now needs to go into a water bath, so a kettle with some boiling water. Gently lower the mixture into the tray. So 157, close to 160, which is perfect. Lower the baking tray into the barbecue. That will need 45 minutes. So let's have a look. And yeah, that's not too bad. So we've got a nice crispy top. It's like a lovely soft fluffy sponge, and it's just set. Underneath this wonderful lemon curd, which is tangy and rich. Let's take that out. Icing sugar on the top. Best way to serve this is with a nice big spoonful onto the plate. There's lovely lemon curd underneath, a little bit of vanilla cream on the top, and what is lovely is a little bit of passion fruit syrup to finish it off with. How good is that? That there is lemon deliciousness. Wow.